Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making high protein breakfast, dinner, lunch recipe. It's a high in protein, low carb recipe. We want green moong dal 1 cup, water for soaking, soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, ginger 1 inch, green chilies 2, cumin 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste. Add little water, 1/4 cup water, onion 1, make fine paste. If batter is thick, add little water. Some benefits of moong dal. Green moong dal improves digestion, prevents anemic, helps in weight control, good for cardiovascular health, improves eyesight. Hot tawa, spread like this. It's so crispy and yummy. High in protein, low in carb. Oil half tablespoon. Kara powders optional. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Yummy healthy recipe for weight loss. Enjoy with spicy red chutney. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.